This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 10 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now the OnePlus 10 Pro has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 8 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of Oxygen OS 12. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra also has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, also on Android 12 on its latest version of One UI 4.1. This one has 12 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones here at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. OnePlus 10 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra speed test comparison. Which phone will have the faster boot up right now? Let's find out in a few seconds. Go ahead and adjust the phones here. Oh, okay, what's going on? Oh, it looks like the OnePlus 10 Pro here booting up a little bit faster. Get rid of this debris here on the S22 Ultra. Wow, OnePlus 10 Pro super fast on the boot up, and the S22 Ultra not so ultra on the boot up. Sammy boy, let's go. Here we go. Okay, go ahead and swipe, and then here we go on the S22 Ultra. Let it load the weather widget. There we go. There's the Google and there's the weather widget. Nice. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both phones. So you can see no recent tasks on the OnePlus 10 Pro, no recently used apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this annoying pop-up here. Just gonna get rid of that, exit, and then make sure everything's cleared as you can see. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. This one had an animation. You guys are the judges. Messages. Very close again. Get rid of that. Again, you guys are the judges. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the screen a little bit better. Very close, but I think the edge goes to the OnePlus 10 Pro. Fire up the clock on both phones. Very close again. Start that up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Ooh, very close. I think that was a draw pretty much, but again, you guys are the real judges here. Play Store. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 10 Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and click on, what is this, Monopoly? We'll leave it right there. Amazon. Ooh, very close. Oh, again, you guys are the judges. I'm gonna go ahead and click on, let's see, what can I click on? Let's see, click on this, deal of the day, click on this. We'll go ahead and just leave it on that page. eBay. Ooh, man, that was super fast on both phones. Very close again. You can take this with a grain of salt. A lot of it can just be, you know, like the Wi-Fi connection, etc. Super Mario Run. Let's see what happens here. Loading on both phones, and oh, call it a draw up to this point. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the OnePlus 10 Pro on the second step. Subway Surfers. Loading on both phones. Oh, faster on the Note, or excuse me, not the Note, the S22 Ultra. Go ahead and do that. And then this one, the Angry Birds. Let's see. Logging in on both phones. And which one will go out in front here? Let's see. Oh, both taking their time. Oh, okay. Now which one will go faster? Oh, we'll give the win to the OnePlus 10 Pro here. That was a close one. Okay, what about this one? Let's see. CSR Racing 2, okay. Doing its logins, etc. Oh, okay. FNF 9, all right. And I mean, it's very close. I can't tell the difference. Maybe the S22 by a split second, but honestly, pretty much identical. We'll launch this one. And let's see here. Oh, okay. Again, similar boot up times. And then extracting files. Okay, which one is, okay. You wanna let this go? Oh, which one? Oh, maybe the S22 Ultra by just a tiny bit. But again, really no difference. You're talking milliseconds. Check this one out. The PUBG. Let's see. Crafting. Oh, I think the 10 is ahead. 10 Pro. But let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Neck and neck. Oh. I'll give the win to the 10 Pro. Go ahead and get rid of that. Boom. Instagram. Identical. Snapchat. Identical. We do have Chrome here. Let's go ahead and do a search for, let's see, no idea. I'm gonna go ahead and do a search for OnePlus 5T. I don't know why that came up in my mind. It just did. OnePlus 5T. When did this phone come out? Like 2017? I have no idea. Let me know in the comments below when this phone came out. But as you can see, OnePlus 5T here. We'll just go through some images. Boom, nice and fast. Go ahead and do the pinch to zoom. Both with their fast displays. That is not a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and do some scrolling here. That is super fast on the S22 Ultra. And we'll do the same thing here on the OnePlus. Super quick. Let's see. Click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Nice and fast. You can just like go through images super quick on both phones. Check out the bottom right there. See, it's gonna reload. Oh, hold up. That's a pretty sick case. Hold up. Huh, if I'm still rocking a OnePlus 5T, maybe I'll buy this case right now. But I don't have this phone anymore. It's been a few years. Look at that red one. Looks pretty sick. And what's going on here on the 10 Pro? Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Now this could just be like internet stuff, not the phone. So you can take this with a grain of salt. Now go ahead and, there we go. And this red looks pretty nice. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, as you can see. Now I like how in Oxygen OS, you get the row of icons here. You can kind of do this between your app switching. Nice little touch, I do like that. We'll go through these apps again. I will have a look for any lags or any stutters. Now, I don't know, the OnePlus on my last test was having some issues with keeping, the apps in memory. So we'll see what happens here. I think the S22 Ultra will zoom through this part of the test with no reloads. As you can see, it's already reloading here. OnePlus. Angry Birds 2, reload on the OnePlus, not good. Now again, 12 gigs of RAM versus 8, but still. We'll resume here. Now let me know, I think there is a 12 gig of RAM version of the OnePlus 10 Pro. So let me know how that does. Maybe it should do better on the app switching here. And that's still in RAM, that's good. Amazon, okay, reloaded Amazon. Play Store. Calculator. The clock, still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload ever. We'll do the camera. Super fast on the 10 Pro on that one. Messages. Not now on that. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a OnePlus fan? Are you rocking the OnePlus 10 Pro? Do you have the OnePlus 9 or the 9 Pro from last year? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your S22 Ultra? Do you have the regular S22? Do you have the S22 Plus? Are you rocking a Note 20? Are you a baller and rocking the Z Fold series of phones? Do you have a Z Flip? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.